So this is what I've done with the electronic stuff in my trailer. Before, all these devices like my cable modem, my Wi-Fi router, my weather station interface, my Raspberry Pi, the display for my weather station, they all had 120 volt transformer plugs on them. And I'm like, why am I running my inverter to convert 12 volts to 120 volts and then bringing it back down to either 19 or 12 volts or 15 volts, depending on the device? So what I did is I got a couple of voltage regulators that take the 12 to 16 volts that's coming through my trailer. Reason why sometimes it might be as high as 16 is if the solar charge controller for the battery is going into once a month a desulfating mode for the batteries, it can be putting out a little over 16 volts. That's not the normal charging voltage, but nonetheless, that would fry some of my 12 volt electronics. So these are voltage regulators. They'll bring the power coming in anywhere from 8 to 18 volts, and then it'll output it to anywhere between 10 and 24 volts. For my cable modem, it needs 19 volts, so I adjusted that one accordingly. It's hidden behind these cases here. For my Wi-Fi router, it's 12 volts, but like I said, I put a regulator on there just so that way if the batteries get low, my house batteries get low, or if the solar charge controller puts too much current through it, it's not going to fry the electronics. Also put some additional 12 volt and USB outlets in here. I've got the Accurite controller for my weather station. That's just plugged in via USB. And the same thing with this, I converted the 120 volt transformer just to a USB plug. And then I've got a USB-C. Yeah, my desk is a mess right now because I'm doing some work. Powering my laptop, so I don't have to use a 120 volt transformer for that either. These stray wires coming out of here are for something, a future project where I'm going to record the current used during the day, but haven't started with that yet. So thanks for watching.